In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust export settings in Kapwing. This will ensure your final video product matches your needs, whether you're sharing it on social media, using it for a presentation, or storing it for viewing later. Let's begin with finishing up your editing process. Once you're satisfied with your project and ready to share it, look towards the top right corner of the editor. There, you'll find options like Export Project, Export, or Export Video, depending on the version you're using. Click on one of these options to bring up the Export Settings dialog. Within the Export Settings modal, you'll see several options designed to tailor the output to your specific requirements. One of the first settings you'll encounter is Format. This could be MP4, GF, or other formats depending on your project's needs. Choosing the correct format is essential. For instance, MP4 is often preferred for video due to its wide compatibility and good balance of quality and file size. Next, consider the resolution or quality settings, which are crucial in determining how your final product will look. You might see options like 480p, 720p, or 1080p. The higher the resolution, the clearer and more detailed your video will be. However, keep in mind that this typically results in a larger file size. For many, especially those using Kapwing on its free plan, the available resolution might be capped at standard or 720p. This quality is typically sufficient for most online platforms, ensuring good quality without consuming excessive bandwidth. However, if you are on Kapwing's Pro or paid plan, you might have the option to export your project at 1080p or even higher. This is perfect for situations where the highest possible video quality is required, such as professional presentations or detailed video demonstrations. If deciding on a resolution seems daunting, or if you're uncertain, there's the Auto option. Choosing Auto allows Kapwing to export your video at its original resolution, preserving the quality you've been working with throughout the editing process. The final consideration is the compression level. This setting helps reduce the file size of your video without compromising the resolution you have selected. It's particularly useful if you need to save storage space or meet upload constraints on certain platforms. Once you've carefully selected your format, resolution, and compression settings, it's time to proceed with the export. Click on Export As, or a similar button to initiate the export process. This final action will process your video, applying the settings you've chosen to create your finished product ready for sharing. And there you have it. By considering each step carefully, you can ensure your exported video meets your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in creating perfect videos with Kapwing.